Hi, my name is Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I am going to talk to you today about cultivating a positive body image. And what does that mean? So body image is your perception, your self-perception of your body. It could be perception of bodies in general, but today I just want to talk to you about your perception of your body. And perception just means your viewpoint, how you think about it, how you feel about it. And it could be encompassing in a lot of different ways. It could be thoughts, it could be feelings, it could be memories. And so it's not just a single experience, it's a culmination of how you've experienced your body depending upon how old you are. So I'm going to give you 3 tips. So the first tip, I want you to imagine that body positivity is rejecting messages that are grounded in weight stigma. What does that mean? So weight stigma is going to be thin is better than fat, or a certain shape is better than this shape over here. So it's not saying that I want you to think you are beautiful, because that's really, really hard if you don't feel that. But getting rid of messages that would suggest a certain shape is better than another. And so I want you to imagine a baby. I want you to imagine a baby kind of playing with his fingers or kind of, wiggling his toes for the first time, or imagine a kid just running and jumping and skipping and playing and the joy that they feel. And then when does that stop? When does that pleasure of experiencing your fingers and running and jumping, and when does that stop for you, if it did? And so going back to that simple running and jumping and playing and that pleasure, that is free of weight stigma. It didn't matter the shape that you were, and how we can get back to that. Now, your life experiences definitely have formed memories and definitions and experiences, but if we're rewriting your body image, getting back to this freedom of weight stigma is going to be a good place to start. Okay, 2, I want you to make a commitment to moving past eating for weight loss. A lot of times that is the main goal for a lot of people. So letting go of that can feel really scary because that's all you've done for a really long time. But what if you were to throw away weight loss books? What if you were to throw away things that are geared towards weight loss, whether it be a program or a supplement? Not because you can't have body autonomy, but you can eat for so many other different things. You can eat for taste, you can eat for function, you can eat for experiencing new flavors. There can be so many different goals beyond weight loss. So throwing away eating for weight loss. And 3rd, changing negative thoughts about your body takes a lot of practice. So 1, it's just recognizing that you're having the thought. So once you recognize that thought, or recognize an experience, like if you were to take a picture and you don't like the way your arms look. So I actually want you to write down on a computer, or type out on a computer, my arms look flabby. And I want you to actually delete it and then write a new thought. My arms have hugged my kids today. Or even my arms have hugged myself today. So 3 exercises. 1, imagining you were a little girl or a little boy or a little child and how you experienced your body with some freedom of weight stigma. 2, throwing away this notion that eating is only for weight loss. And then 3, literally typing out the negative thoughts that you've had about your body, deleting them and replacing them with a new thought. But I want the actual visceral experience of either you typing or writing. Now I'm doing typing, but writing is actually better. Let me know how these 3 tips have served you, if at all. And if you don't want to let me know, just hit like and subscribe, and I will give you more value if you can follow along on this channel. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and thank you for being here.